What's up, folks? Honey's Morning Update, October 19th. Uh, Overnight range 20 to 48, so 28 points. We need this market above 55, back up above 55 to get north. And then we'd probably look at that 4,000, 4,005 area. Above that, you'd get the 20, probably the 30, but here's your 24 is your 50 day, and then 38 up here. So these are all my targets up here. So we'll see if they run it up today. But again, I'd like to see it north of 55 for anything to happen. Below that, I'm still going to be bearish today. As I said before, like back over here, until we're above these two, I'm not excited for the upside. I know that a lot of people are calling for bull stuff and whatever. Call it all you want. I'm just saying I don't like it unless it's above that. 43.15 was the level I was watching. 20 was the overnight low. So since it came so close, I don't know if I like that to hold. I sure as hell wouldn't be a buyer there if we are heading down. So I would look at that 87.90 area as I think is what they're gonna defend, because we lose that level and we get right into the 54, which is the 200. So that would be my guess. If we head down, that 87.90 would be where I think that they would probably try to defend it. And then if not, then the 54. So we'll see today. I don't know. There's a million speakers coming up, so we could just consolidate all day or, swing like we did yesterday. We had some swings yesterday. It's kind of all over the place. Interesting rips too. So, but yeah, that's, you can see we tested multiple times that 43.50 area. So again, I'd like to see it above 55. Your pivot's 59. My green line's at 71. 43.87 is a decent R1. 42.27 coincides with the 24, and then 56. Downside, there's your 42.90 is your S2. So that I like when my big levels align with a pivot. So again, I'm going to hold a lot of faith in that 90. And then 42.50 coincides with the 42.54, which is your 200-day moving average. So we'll see. Again, today I have no idea. I'm agnostic on where we go. I could see a reason to rally it and a reason to dump it. So we'll just let it cash open, find out what it happens. But again, we're between the 50, 100, and 200-day trapped. So again, as I've said before, I'd like to see a test here. A lot of 4,200 people, like they said, if we get down to 4,200, there'd be a buyer, but I'm not sure. I think if we start heading down and we lose that 200, then I think we would probably test this, and then maybe test down in here the 39.70, which was an old level. Actually, we're not even going to look at that. Let's look. Yeah. All right. SPX cash gap from yesterday, 64 to 73. I kept this just because that 42.21 has a level that's held, and also your 29 is your 42.29 is your 200 here, and 50 days 43.95. So SPX, as you can see, same thing, stuck between the 50 and the 200. I don't have the 100 on this chart. Euro still in channel down, but coiling. So either we're going to get a move up or a move down, and I couldn't tell you which way that's going to go. Nevada a little bit bid today. Tesla's down 12, I think, the last time I checked. Apple pretty much unched, a little lower. ES down 4 points. Dow down 35, and NASDAQ down 6. So maybe NASDAQ carries us up. I don't know. Again, there's like a dozen Fed speakers today, so anything can happen. Anyway, I'll be in the room. Stay safe. You see it, take it. Also, not trading is a trade.